Especially when you're taking off and those engines are at max takeoff power. That's when something goes wrong, is what's going to go wrong.
Persona que habla Spanish. Sí, señor.
Sí, ahí está ganando, ahí está haciendo su función. Lo que sí, bueno, es por lo bajito que está la antena, por lo que ocupan los escucho de las otras estaciones. ¿Lo tenías ahí en el taller? Hey, Mobile, Galveston, Texas, urgent. Hello, 1919,
308, Stockton, Missouri. $428,375. Yeah, you're sounding good here. I just thought I'd say hello. You're swinging up there to 10 over 9. 73's to you, 308. We're back on the side. How about you, 128,375 calling. I'll wave back 4430. Sounding good up here. Take care. Have a great week and a good weekend coming up. 308, Stockton, Missouri. We're listening. Yeah, 420, Mobile, British Columbia. Got a good copy on you there. Hello, Romeo Golf 205. Good afternoon to you. Romeo Golf 205. I'm probably doing a little better there now. When you said British Columbia, I moved my beam on you. I had it off of you. I was right on Central California there, Roger. 032, greedy on Detroit. I hope I'm good and clear. That's what I always try to do is get it to where my audio, you know, is not muffled up or anything, and it's good and real clear. Across the pond, judging by the accent. Romeo Golf 3. The storms are rolling, so we'll be unplugging here shortly. We got some of that lightning. So we got to start your asshole starts to cover. Sounds real good. Yeah, yours is good too. Yeah, I don't have any Roger beeps or echo or anything like that on this radio. I've got one beside me here, a 98 VHP Galaxy that has all that stuff, but I don't use it. But I'm on a 1200 DX Yaesu. It doesn't have that stuff like that. 640. Maybe I can avoid the crossing. Romeo Golf 308. No, I don't think anybody needs all that stuff. 3600. one around here local, and they're way off and in a mobile. And I like it then because if it's a real short beat, because then I know when they've unkeyed and I won't key up on them, you know. Sometimes you key up on them if you don't know when they unkey.
Corridos, pero pues ya perdido es entendible. Se me hace que para la izquierda.
Northwestern Illinois, operator Randy, standing by. 546. Volunteer to help us pick up this antenna.
Look at that. Well, you have a good afternoon, Static. Well, I appreciate it. What's busy out there? Hey, you take care. Have a great week. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Enjoy your DX and 73s to you, 308. We'll get back here and listen.